Hello, good afternoon po sa lahat na aking mga amigo, amiga, mga followers ko po. Thank you to all of you there. Mag-ingat, take care everyone. Dahil sa panahon na hindi maganda, maulan, mainit, yan po ang hindi good sa ating kalusugan. So, mag-ingat lagi everyone po. So, dito tayo sa hot balita regarding po sa what we call US Embassy ng Pilipinas na isang official na ginawang personal non grata sa official ng Pilipinas. So ang nangyari po ay sumagot na po ang what they called China official regarding po itong official sa Philippines US Embassy na what they called regarding sa ginawang non-personal grata po ng Pilipinas. So, ito ang problema. Sumagot na po ang official sa China at handang-handa sila mag-alisan ng Pilipinas kung ano mangyari nito. So, pakinggan natin ang balita. Siyempre, kayo na mag-observe o mag-react kung ano mangyari ito, kung ano talaga ang mangyari ito sa darating ng mga araw balita. Dahil iba na ang panalita ng China official sa Beijing po. So, pakinggan natin. Maganda ito. Hot balita.
Associate myself with the manifestations of the principal sponsor, Senator Pangilinan, and the other sponsors and our colleagues. Secondly, yes, we will be perhaps studying the resolution, but in the same light,
Yan po
I
ang
suggest that we study the possibility
balita
of
ngayon. So,
declaring
makinig tayo.
that
Obserbahan
particular
natin
person
ano mangyari
persona
nito.
non grata. And that is very, very serious
Yan.
when the Senate does that. So I suggest that the Committee on Rules study the possibility. Senator Lawson is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. This is a point of clarification, and I'd like to address this to the distinguished sponsor of the resolution. Did I hear you correctly when you said that you were amenable to holding committee hearings in relation to this resolution?
Well, I was open to the suggestion. I did not actually say I was adopting it.
Thank you for the clarification. And if I may, Mr. Senate President, I consulted ChatGPT. Only the head of the state may declare persona non grata when it involves diplomats. So we can only recommend, if we want to recommend. So persona non grata sa Senate. Yeah, but we cannot declare any diplomat persona non grata, just to clarify, subject to validation by our lawyers in this hall, Mr. President. Thank you.
Well, as I said, it is a suggestion, and let us study the possibility. Jordi Lida?
Mr. President. Mr. President, before we suspend consideration of the matter, I just also want to put my opinion on the matter. I fully support the resolution of Senator Kiko and the 14 others who signed this resolution. Gusto lang namin malaman ng Coast Guard at ating Philippine Navy na hindi sila nag-iisa, na marami sa gobyerno tumutulong at sumusuporta sa kanila. At sa tingin ko, buong bansa, kung magpa-survey po tayo, 90%, Mr. President, maybe 90+% of the Filipinos support our Coast Guard in protecting our islands that have been declared internationally, not just by us, but internationally as our territory, Mr. President, our exclusive economic zone. So, when I was Senate President, I echo the same voice as my colleagues here today. I just want to add that voice, that very loud voice, condemning all these acts being done to our Coast Guard and our Navy in the West Philippine Sea. And the fishermen, lalong-lalo na po, hirap na hirap ang ating mangingisda dito sa pangyayaring ito. So we support the resolution. we support our colleagues, we support our men and women in the field, in the oceans, defending our national sovereignty, Mr. President. So maraming salamat sa sponsors, Senator Kiko, and all those who co-sponsored. But to give our other colleagues a chance to read and study the resolution, let's limit it possibly, Mr. President, with the permission of the body, on discussions on the floor. Let's just do debates and interpellations. No need to bring it up to a committee hearing and then we will have an extended firefight in the committees, the committee level. I think the debate can be actually be done on the floor. Let us discuss the positions on the floor, Mr. President. And then let us debate amongst ourselves what is the best course forward for our people and for our sovereignty, Mr. President. And therefore, to all our colleagues, maybe some time to study and measure, I move that we suspend temporarily the consideration of PS Resolution 256 that we can take up on another day, or maybe tomorrow, and start the debate, Mr. President. And let's act on it the soonest para pakita natin po sa taong bayan ng Senado ay nag-iisa, nagkakaisa para sa soberenya ng ating bansa.
Yes, I think 24 hours is good enough for us to study the measure. Senator Pangilinan is
Just a very brief manifestation. Mr. President, if after studying the proposal of the Senate President and that the Senate Majority Leader deems it necessary to file a Senate resolution expressing the sense of the Senate that the President should declare the Deputy Spokesperson as persona non grata, we will support the measure, Mr. President.
Thank you. Thank you, Senator Pangilinan. Majority Leader, yes, the motion is to suspend
Yes,
consideration.
Mr. President.
All right, any objection? Hearing none. Consideration is suspended.
Yan po ang balita regarding po sa resolution ng plano. Kaya suspended mo na mag-meeting pa. Yan po ang balita sa ngayon. So thank you. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Mag-ingat everyone. Take care. Sana nagustuhan niyo itong balita na hindi good for us. Dahil ito malupit to. Kaya sumagot na po ang China. Sabi ng China official, handang-handa silang mag-alisan ng US Embassy ng Pilipinas kung ano mangyari. Yan po ang sagot ng China official po. Again, thank you sa lahat. Mag-ingat. Take care everyone po. Bye-bye.